Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning,
Good afternoon.
everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, everyone. How are you all?
Good. Fine, ma'am.
Ready for your class?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning. So, children, all set for your exams, huh? All prepared?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very nice. Very good. Now, right after your Diwali break, you'll be giving your exams.
Ma'am, when will the Diwali break start?
Beta, you will be notified
Yes,
on
ma'am.
your
When
class.
is the Diwali break?
You will be notified on your class group. Don't worry.
Ma'am, when is Diwali break?
On the day of Diwali.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, on the day of Diwali. Beta, you will be notified on your class group. Don't worry. Your breaks will be declared, announced on your class groups. Okay?
Ma'am, in Diwali, ma'am, we have holiday.
Of course. Of course, you will have a holiday on Diwali. Don't you want, Krisha? You want to study? Huh? On Diwali also.
Yes, ma'am.
You want to study? Oh my God. Who all want to study on Diwali? Everybody put your videos on. You want to study, Harsh? My God. What studious
Yes, ma'am.
students I have, huh? They want to study on the day of Diwali also.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. What about Apurva and Shaurya? You don't want any break for Diwali?
Ma'am, we want.
Yes, you want. Very nice. How many of you are excited for Diwali? All of you. What are your plans? What are you going to do? Any special plans? Any
Ma'am, I
different
do
plans?
party.
You'll go.
Ma'am, I do party. Ma'am, with my friends.
Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Harsh.
Ma'am, you know the crackers are banned in Bareilly also.
Yes, I know. They are banned everywhere. But still people are bursting them. Isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So now children, today let's play some game. Let's keep our studies aside. But I am
Yes,
going to
ma'am.
play only with those who will put their videos on.
Ma'am, I
Okay,
would.
ma'am.
So I am not playing with Srishti, Virat, Shreyansh Patel and Ritvik Arora. I am not playing with them. Okay? You people don't put your videos on. The game will begin only if your videos will be on. Still, there are students whose videos are not on. Let me see how many of you can put your videos on. Virat Yadav, what is wrong? Why aren't you putting your video on? All right. I'm so sorry, children. It was just a prank to put your videos on. We are going to study only. No game. Is that fine? Because you want to study. Harsh wants to study. Krishav wants to study on the day of Diwali also. So let's not waste today.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, we are going to study. We'll study
Ma'am, we
forever.
play game.
No,
Okay,
we are
ma'am.
going to study forever. This was just
No,
a prank.
ma'am, we play game.
Now, Ritvik, if you put your video off, then what is going to happen? Shreyansh, Ritvik, huh? Those children who usually sit in the class with their videos off.
Ma'am, I play game.
All right, everybody has got their books. Everybody has got their books. Now the game is, children, I am going to tell you a word and you have to look for that word and tell me where the word is. I'm only going to give you the page number. Okay? Suppose I say on page number 6, find the word coins. Then you have to look for coins. If you find the word, you have to tell me, ma'am, 4th line, 8th word. Any example. Okay? Ready for it? And you don't have to put your audios on. You will only write it in the chat box.
Okay.
Clear. Good. Okay, let's see who comes first. Have I played this game with you before?
Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
I haven't.
No, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am. We have played.
And we have played.
No, ma'am. You
I
have
have
not
played.
Ma'am, we have played. Yes, ma'am. We have played.
If we have played, then we are not playing again. If we have played.
played.
Ma'am, we have not played.
Ma'am, we have not played.
Apurva and Shaurya will tell. They are regular. Krishav is regular in the class.
Ma'am, we have played on the online classes on
Yes,
WhatsApp.
on WhatsApp. Yes, not on Zoom classes.
Ma'am, we not play.
Yes, good. So, page number, everybody be ready. Let me see who comes first. Page number 85, the word is journey. Journey.
Ma'am, page number?
85. The word is journey. Type it, type it, type it.
Ma'am, please again say the page number.
85 page, the word is journey. Journey. Very nice. 8th line. Very good. So Apurva is the winner, children. That is why I tell you it is so important to learn spellings. What is the spelling of journey? Huh? Krishav, is this how you spell journey?
Journey.
Yes. Journey. Krishav, what are you looking for? Huh? What is this word? Advika Gupta, what is this word journey? Harsh Agarwal.
Journey.
Okay.
Dadi, और भी देखो.
He will never learn to mute himself. Huh? Krishav will never mute himself. Then next. The next word is.
Ma'am, which page number?
I will tell, beta. I will tell. Don't worry. Page number 96. The word is Namdafa. Namdafa.
What, ma'am?
Page number 96. The word is Namdafa.
Ma'am, what is the word?
The word is in the chat box.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, last paragraph from last second line.
Okay. Pratishtha, you are
Yes, ma'am. Last
Pratishtha,
last second line.
Pratishtha, you are supposed to type in the chat box. Those who will speak on audios will not be counted. So the winner is Noel Sahai. He has written last paragraph, second last line. Good. Now, page number 106, and the word is cane. The word is cane. 106 page.
The word is cane.
Yes, C-A-N-E.
Ma'am, what is the word?
The word is cane. C-A-N-E, cane. Cane. Ritvik says, first paragraph, second last line. Yes. Apurva says, sugar cane. No, beta, not sugar cane. First para, second last line. Very good, Ritvik. Very good.
Ma'am, you got my.
Yes, I got yours. Cane, first para, second last line. Very good. Now, the next word is page number 107. The word is coast. C-O-A-S-T. C-O-A-S-T.
Ma'am, please again tell the page number.
107.
Ma'am, 137 or
107. 107. Very good. Virat Yadav says last line. Last line of what? Last line of the page. Beta, do you mean the last line of the page? Very good. Apurva says third last line. Yes.
Ma'am, blue color last line.
Very good. Blue color box, the last line. Blue color last line. Good, 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 good. Good going, students. Very quick. Pratishta, mute yourself. All right. The next word is page number 113. And the word is textiles.
Ma'am, what is the spelling of textile?
Textiles. Second para, last line. Okay, very nice. Ritvik, too quick, huh? Ritvik is too quick today. Second paragraph, last line. Srishti says blue color last line. No. Ritvik says Maharashtra. Yes. Second para, last line. Very good. Very nice. Good going, class. Then, the next is page number 114. And the word is spices. 114, the word is spices.
Ma'am, 114.
Yes.
Ma'am, what is the spelling of spices?
S-P-I-C-E-S.
Ma'am, what is the word?
Spices. Spices.
Please see.
SPICES. Last third line. No, not last third line. Second para, third line. Very good. Second para, let me see the third line.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, from last.
Ma'am, in Kerala.
Yes. Last third line. Second para, last third line. Very good. Spices.
And brown hair.
Hmm. Okay. Then page number. Okay, I know everybody will be very quick in this. Let's see. Page number 78, the word is acacia. The word is acacia, page number 78.
And the word is?
Acacia.
Acacia.
Okay, the desert last. Noel said the desert and the last word. Yes. Very quick, Noel. Noel, did you open page number 78 or you just wrote it yourself? Because you remembered where the word appeared. Huh? All right. One more word. Let me see who tells it. Page number 77, Mizo Hills.
Ma'am, page number and the word?
Mizo Hills, page number 77. Mizo Hills.
I'm sending on.
Okay, second para, second line, Ritvik. Very quick. Apurva also said second para, second line. Very nice. Great.
Ma'am,
Now
who's the winner of
let me give you a very difficult word. Oh, difficult to locate. Let me give you something very difficult now. It's page number. Page number 84 and the word is projection. Page number 84.
Ma'am, which?
The word is projection.
Ma'am, which page number?
84.
Ma'am, send on chat box.
You have only sent the word, beta. Oh my God, Apurva was too quick, huh?
Ma'am, in page number 84, there is map.
So, see, in the map, there are so many words. Outside the map, there are so many words. Apurva has found it and she has already sent the answer. Yes, last line and last word. Okay. Another. Page number 134. And the word is reusing. Reusing. Page number 134.
Ma'am, what is the word?
The word is reusing. Page number 134.
Another word?
Reusing. Reusing. Shrishti has typed the word in the chat box. Have you found out? Oh, very nice, Ritvik. Very good. Key terms, fourth word.
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am,
Yes.
but I am the first. Ma'am?
Did you write it? Oh, yes, you
Yes,
did.
ma'am.
Key terms last. Very good, Noel.
Key terms.
Page number 102. And the word is West Bengal. Page number 102, West Bengal. Okay, so again from the keywords. All right, Advika was the first one to answer. Ritvik was also the one. Page number 99. And the word is Mohsin Ram.
Ma'am, what word?
Ma'am, which page number?
Mohsin Ram. Mohsin Ram.
Ma'am, which page number?
99.
Take the correct third one.
Okay, very nice. But
Ma'am, take the correct fourth one, option A. Ma'am, take the correct third
Yes,
one.
ma'am. Take the correct fourth one.
no, why fourth one? The word is Mohsin Ram. It's not
Ma'am, third
Mizoram.
one.
Yes, third one.
Ma'am, take the correct fourth one, option A.
Ma'am, take the correct third
Now,
one, second one.
let me tell you who is the winner of this one. The winner is Ritvik Arora because he typed in the chat box. Rest all others who spoke on their audios are wrong. And this word also appears in the nutshell, the first word, the last one. Good. Now, children, let's do something. Let's change it. It has got a little boring now. Isn't it? Let's have some reading session.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Good. Let's begin from Noel. Noel is going to read. Now, which chapter? Page number 96, Noel.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, good.
Chapter 15.
All right.
The
Wait.
Northeastern.
Before you read, children, let me tell you that I want all of you to pay attention to all the punctuation marks that are coming on your way. Respect each punctuation mark. All commas, all exclamations, all full stops.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Start.
Chapter 15. The Northeastern States. Key terms: Brahmaputra, Cheraw, Root Bridge, Sanctuaries, Manipuri Goria.
Mohsin Ram.
Mosimram. The seven sister states are the contiguous states of Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Meghalaya, Manipur, Mizoram, Nagaland, and Tripura in the northeastern part of India. In 2000, India was included as
96.
the eighth state of the northeastern region. They are a part of the northern mountain range. They lie in the Purvanchal range. In 1947, when India gained independence, its northeastern region had only three states: Assam, Tripura, and Manipur. Nagaland, Meghalaya, Mizoram, and Arunachal Pradesh were carved out later from Assam. Arunachal Pradesh.
That's all, beta. That's all.
Okay, ma'am.
Ritvik Arora, you are going to read the same paragraph, beta. The seven sister states. Start from here.
The seven sister states are the contiguous states of Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Meghalaya, Manipur, Mizoram, Nagaland, and Tripura in the northeastern part of India. In 202, Sikkim was included as the
Beta, in 2002.
In 2002, Sikkim was included as the eighth state of the northeastern region. They are a part of the northern mountain range. They lie in Purvanchal range. In 1947, when India gained independence, its northeastern region had only three states: Assam, Tripura, and Manipur. Nagaland, Meghalaya, Mizoram, and Arunachal Pradesh were carved out later from Assam. Arunachal Pradesh.
That's all, beta. That's all. That's all. Now, who is going to read Arunachal Pradesh? Apurva will read.
Arunachal Pradesh. Arunachal Pradesh is a hilly state. The river Brahmaputra enters India through this state. Itanagar is its capital. This state receives heavy rainfall. People living in the flood-prone regions sometimes build houses.
It is flood prone.
Flood-prone regions sometimes build houses on stilts to protect themselves from rain and floods. Farming and weaving are the main occupations of the people of Arunachal Pradesh. Wheat and maize are the main crops grown here. Many tourists visit this state for its natural beauty. The Tuong Monastery. The Tuong Monastery and the Namdhapa National Park are some of the famous places.
Very good. Very nice. Advika Gupta will read the same paragraph. Arunachal Pradesh.
Arunachal Pradesh is a hilly state. The river Brahmaputra entered India through this state. In
Itanagar.
Itangar is its capital. This state receives heavy rainfall. People living in the flood
People living in the
Prone-
flood-prone regions.
prone regions sometimes build houses on
Stilts.
stilts to protect themselves from rain and floods. Farming and weaving are the main occupation of the people of Arunachal Pradesh. Wheat,
Paddy.
paddy, and maize are the main crop. Maize are the main crop grown here.
What is maize? What is maize, Advika? What is maize?
Ma'am,
Maize
corn.
is, huh?
Corn.
No, I'm not asking maize. I'm asking what is maize? Maize is what? Can anybody tell? Yes?
Ma'am, mouse.
Yes. Mice is what? Rat. So, according to Advika's reading, wheat, paddy, and rats are the main crops grown here. Huh?
Yes.
Yes? Advika, tell. Rats grow there. Huh? Rats grow in Arunachal Pradesh. Rats are the main crops.
Ma'am.
No. So what is it? It's called maize. It's not mice. Okay. Then continue. Krishav, can you mute yourself? Or every time I will do this job. Yes.
Many tourists visit this state for its beauty.
Natural beauty.
Natural beauty. The
Tuong Monastery. The Tuong Monastery.
The Tong Monastery and the Namdapha National Park are some of the famous places.
Very good. Very nice. Okay, next. Let's have Arjun Bhardwaj. Arjun Bhardwaj, you have not spoken a single word today. Are you there in the class? Arjun, I think you are not there. Okay, Arjun has gone to sleep, children. Lakshay is there. Lakshay Parchani.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, very good. Put your camera on.
Yes, ma'am.
Now read this paragraph. Do you know where we are reading? Lakshay?
No, ma'am.
Why no, beta? What are you doing? Were you also sleeping?
Ma'am, going to drink water.
You went to drink water. All right, page number 97. Assam. You have to read from Assam, page number 97.
Northeast, close to this state, are the main crops
Okay, beta, wait. I think your network is not that strong. There is some signal issue. Children, can you listen to him clearly?
No, ma'am.
No, his voice is
No,
breaking in between. Yes. So Shriyansh Patel. Shriyansh Patel is going to read the same paragraph.
Ma'am, because of network issue, I was disconnected. Please tell again.
Assam, page number 97, Assam. Shriyansh, have you found out page number 97? Okay, I don't think he's reading. Pratishtha Singh is going to read. Unmute yourself.
Assam. Assam is also known as gateway to the northeast. The river Brahmaputra flows through this state, making the land fertile. Rice and jute are the main crops. Tea is grown in large area called tea plantation. Assam tea is famous all over the world. Assam is famous for its Muga silk. The women wear a dress called Mekla Chadar. Bihu is a folk dance from Assam. Dispur is the capital of Guwahati. Is the large city. Assam has 5 national parks. Kaziranga and Manas National Park are the 2 of the most visited national park.
Visited national park.
Kaziranga is famous for its own horned rhinoceros.
Okay, once again, wait. Kaziranga is famous for its one-horned rhinoceros. Yes.
And Manas Wildlife Sanctuary has a tiger and elephant reserve. The Kamakya temple is Guwahati is also tourist attraction. Bamboo and cane products and handicraft are made here. The language spoken is
Assamese. All right, very good. So children, which is the famous dance of this state? Type it in the chat box. The page number is 97. Which is the famous dance of Assam? Bihu. Very good. The famous dance of Assam is Bihu. And which silk is Assam famous for? What kind of silk do we get there? Which silk is famous from Assam? Very good. It's Muga silk. And what is Assam also known as? The state of Assam is also known as what? It is known as the gateway to the